right, folks, here we go. We're looking at Q12 Wednesday. It's homework. Whoa, it's kind of blurry. Add an ending punctuation mark to the sentence below. Here are 3 different kinds of sentences. Okay, we have a question, exclamation, or just a statement. So what do we have here? Looking at, those are the 3 different kinds of sentence. Add in, okay, hooray. Oh, this sounds like someone's exclaiming something. So you want to put an exclamation mark at the end. Correct the mistake in the sentence. The first, baseball caps. I want to say baseball is one word. That's what I'm looking at there. Baseball is one word. Okay, proper nouns are always capitalized. Ooh, remind me to add that to our chart paper over there. Proper nouns are always capitalized. Why? Because it names a specific team. The word team is not capitalized because that's just a general word. That's called a common noun. A common noun. So you have proper nouns are always capitalized. Common nouns are not. What makes a proper noun a proper noun? It names a specific noun. Underline the verb. Verbs are actions. Verbs are actions. Need to add that to our chart paper also. Remind me. I'll give you $20 later. Ooh, I almost said 50. Roy's dad coaches. That one's kind of tricky because coaches can also be a noun. If you have a whole bunch of coaches that are standing there, you could say, oh, look at the coaches. So sometimes nouns can be verbs. Sometimes verbs can be nouns. It depends on the context. Write an adjective. Adjectives describe nouns. The amazing. You could put a lot of things there. Crazy baseball game. The wonderful baseball game. Adjectives describe nouns. These are all called parts of speech, guys. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. You have nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Those are the main ones that we focus on in 3rd grade. Pronouns. Okay, conjunctions. Parts of speech. Add ed to these words. Clapped, you have to double the consonant. Double the consonant. Anything that's not a vowel is a consonant. Pinned, you have to double the N, the consonant. Jogged. And because it's ed, that's called tense. That's when the action takes place. I need to add that to the chart thing too. Tense. When the action takes place. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. Write a pronoun in the box, like it would take the place of something that is not alive. I picked it off the ground if it was like a baseball glove or a bat. It is for non-living things. He, she, we, they. Those are all words that take the place of nouns. Us, him, her. Okay? All right, we got a lot of things going on here in the language. We have pronouns. We talked about tense, that's when the action takes place. Adjectives describe nouns. Nouns can be verbs sometimes. Verbs can also be nouns. We talked about the difference between proper and common nouns. Got a lot of things going on here. And hopefully that helps you with Wednesday's homework.